I guess. So it's a floating dock. Because they're doing construction over here, huh?
You better not.
Hey, she's talking about the wharf. You talk to me. Don't listen to her.
I go to girls. All of Halifax.
Look at all the construction going on.
I get the $100, $200.
You can't do that because you have to.
Oh, there you having something to eat now. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Look at all that cheese. Here, I'm going to film it. Look at that cheese. Look at all that cheese. There you go.
She was peeling.
There's a band over there playing the Dubliners. Dirty Old Town. Over there somewhere. Over there somewhere. Over there. That tall ship. Isn't that nice, huh? Huge.
That's not mine though.
Very cool. Look at that sucker. Look at this ominous boat coming up here. Looks like a pirate ship. Huh? Look at this thing. Wow. There's that thing coming out of the fog. Pretty cool looking, eh? Look at that thing. Huh?
You're going on this one?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. That's how you work on it.
Bunch of pirates over here. Look at this thing.
I left my straw.
It's too late to do anything about it now.
Yeah, we're going to stay.
Cruise ship over there.
That's why.
Oh yeah.
That's part of the
More tall ships. Mist of Avalon. That's what her name is. Mist of Avalon. More tall ships. Check it out. It's Monday, July 31st. Another tall ship. Look at that guy.
The fucking big flag. They're making our flag.
Hold on. Hold on. Wild Swan. That's cool.
I could use that to wrap up in like a million times.
What flag?
The U.S. flag.
Oh, that big, gigantic U.S. flag, yeah. You can roll
Flippin'
yourself.
burgers, it's big.
You can- you can-
I didn't say the F word, I said flippin' burgers.
That's still enough word.
It was flippin' burgers,
Still a word.
not the other word.
What's this one called? The Blue Clipper, hey? There's the Blue Clipper. These are all meant tall ships. What's the definition of a tall ship, anyways? How tall you got to be? Huh? I don't know. There's a nice big one over there. We'll go over and check that one. There's an eagle on the front of it. Look at that. Look at the size of that American flag. Holy, it's huge. That thing's massive.
Do you see it though?
How come we can't get over near that one? Oh, I wonder why. Eh? This one's called the Eagle.
Yeah, there's an eagle on the front of this boat.
The U.S. Coast Guard. Eagle. Okay, come on. Get my shadow out of the frame. Come on, get out of the frame. What?
Do you want to go on it?
I don't know. We're allowed.
Yeah.
Are we? We're going to board the Eagle. Look at that. Great big flag. Look at that thing. USCG Bark Eagle. Good evening. How you doing? Oh. We're going up the gangway. Look at the size of that flag. It's massive. Holy crap. What? Jesus. What's that feeling you get when you walk on a boat?
Yeah.
Ooh,
I feel. Oh. Take pictures of that, Easton. What, right there?
nice.
Don't touch it. Just because. Don't touch nothing.
Look at this.
Don't touch nothing. Just look. I
What,
hope they come in and rescue you.
we're at the back side of the boat. What do you call the end of the boat?
I can't remember. Bow?
Is this the bow?
Stern, one of the
Okay, so why is the wheel in the back of the boat?
Isn't the stern? I don't know. The wheels at the back of the boat, yeah. Isn't the stern the hardest part of the boat? Just kidding.
Yeah, but this is their wheel.
No,
I'm gonna trip over something here. What is that?
Haley, be careful, eh?
It is. Cool. Huh? Look at all the rope. Wow. That's a lot of rope. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Mast? All right.
There it is there. Well, the sails of Kaylee.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like with all her sails. Yeah, that's pretty. Isn't that Take a picture of that.
Pretty awesome. It's massive. George's Island out there. George's Island. All right, here we go. More tons of rope. Wow. It's definitely a boat that takes more than one person to sail. Honored guests and visitors. Cool, eh, buddy? Yeah, wouldn't be able to sail this boat by yourself.
You could. You just crashed.
Yeah, right. On our way off.
Jack, I'll get the
There you go. I got a little bit of a birthday flight here on my birthday. Hey, look what we got here from the Garrison Brewing Company. We just got some Irish Red Ale,
Intend to work for next summer.
a Hoppy Buoy, and some rhubarb saison.
One last trip to the States.
Sits right there, look. Sits right there.
New Hampshire is the one
Red.
that's tax-free.
Rhubarb.
So we're going there.
So save your money.
Cheers, everyone.
So you have, I like
No, I don't want a beaver tail.
I do. You got a treat. I deserve a treat. I deserve a beaver tail.
I just bought you some food.
That's fine. That was supper.
Listen to
I
you.
need dessert now.
Get a bucket of ice cream and go home.
No, I don't want ice cream. I want a beaver tail.
Get a bucket of beaver tails.
I want a beaver.
And when you come visit Halifax, Nova Scotia, you can do the whole harbor walk. There's everything you can look at. There's the whole stretch, huh? Whole stretch. All kinds of stuff. Look at all the kayakers.
The other day, Karina goes, hey, let's take a photograph of ourselves.
I guess they're going underneath the dock. Did they rent those boats?
They might have closed. Or there could be theirs.
They're going in under the dock.